Don't forget to smile. Oh, hi, my name is Brandon Edwards. I'm from a company called Motor Sales and Agencies, which is this one here. And today we're at our workshop in Mzwingo Toyota, which is this one here. And I'm joined by our lead technician, Tatenda. So I wanted to go through a few things with you today. As Motor Sales, we represent Denso in Zimbabwe. My last video spoke about what Denso was in relation to Toyota, so I thought, let me actually show you. Well, we have a Hilux here that we're going to do a major service on. Let me show you that Denso is part of Toyota. Firstly, I have an oil filter, genuine Toyota oil filter. If you open up a genuine Toyota filter, you'll see Denso somewhere in it. So here it is, Denso. This is our service kit that we sell. Show you. Okay, here's our oil filter. All looks very similar. And there's the Denso on it too. So we have the two oil filters. This is the YZZ D4. This one is the equivalent part number of the 0530. And this is our 0520, which is the equivalent on the Toyota number as ending D2. But they're interchangeable on this vehicle. Let me also show you on the air cleaner. And again, this is the genuine air cleaner. This is the Denso air cleaner. That's the genuine Toyota part number over there. This is our Denso part number. So if you're ever needing it for the GD, it's the number ending 0960. Box very simply, nicely packaged. It comes in another sleeve as well. So you'll see here it's got the Toyota and the genuine Toyota part number. Alright, Denso, made in Thailand. It's a tender. Have you had any problems with the Denso air filters?
So far, no.
Yeah?
Yes, it's a good brand.
Yeah?
And it's working perfectly for us.
No problem.
No problems.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
How many have you fitted of these?
Oh, so many. I cannot even count.
Can you fit this air cleaner for me?
Yes, changing it is not something which is difficult. Take it out like this. This is the air cleaner housing. You look for cracks, for tightness of the clamps.
Yeah?
This is the rails which can bite.
Oh.
This, yes.
Yeah.
This. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to check this cover, the fender liner.
Yes.
Yeah, to make sure that is there. It also protects dust from coming in the air cleaner.
Okay.
So after that, you
Yeah.
take out your clips. There are 4 clips. 2, 3, 4. You open it up.
So this one, obviously, it's doing its job. You can see how dirty it is.
Yes.
So what's really important is that the dust doesn't go from this side to that side. Air comes in from the bottom, and we want clean air going out to the top, and this goes straight from here, it goes to the turbo. So the cleaner it is, the better our lives are.
When you take that out, you look for leaves so that you can clean them. If there are leaves, you take them out. For this, you can actually just wipe it with the cloth.
Just give it a good wipe and then it's
Yeah.
nice and clean.
Yes. You take your Denso filter, air filter, put it, make sure that it sits.
So that it doesn't like rattle around or anything. It's the right size, fits in place.
Yes.
There's no issues. And we have this ridge on the top to make sure that when it compresses, it seals properly
Yes.
and that dust is not going through.
Then after that, you close it.
Yeah.
Make sure that it's tight. If it's tight, you put your clamps.
And they make a good noise when they close up properly, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, you can do it on your own. You can take it to a workshop. It's pretty straightforward. It's not very expensive. It's worth doing as often as you can.
Nowadays, we are changing it at 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah, we used to change it at 20,000, but
Oh, that's a bit tough for
It's a bit
Zimbabwe,
tough.
right?
Yes, bit
Maybe
tough,
if
yeah,
you're
for the
in
roads.
like a city and never
Yes.
traveled out.
yeah,
And like I said, it's not that expensive. $15, $16 somewhere around
yeah,
there.
it's not expensive.
Yeah.
It's,
And it's so critical to your engine, it's worth changing.
yeah, that's the lifespan of your engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how you change an air cleaner. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate your time. And yeah, don't forget to like us, subscribe to us and all the social media channels. And yeah, Tatenda, thanks very much. I appreciate it.
You're much welcome, sir.
All right. Thank you. Cool.